tubadde ku live eno ne Stella wa Mickey oli ku Lugambo Nation. Stella nkubide simunanga maddeno njagala clearinga air kubigenda mu maaso ku internet wakati wange ne Mickey. Konze anti Lugambo Nation jangu. Stella ababadde ku live eno mumuwulidde bulungi kati mwabatabaddeeko. Stella agambye Mickey tamubbangako. Okitegeera nti sente ya muzimu bbako nti Mickey yaleta idea y'okugula property batunde bafune. Ono Stella nagibayinga. Stella nagende wakazini we niyewola milioni 2 okitegeera nasasulako milioni 10 newasigala milioni 3 ngeyo byonna byonna Mickey tabimanyiiko. Kazi nasigala ngabanja sente ezalemerera Stella. Kazi nchi yakola nagenda ku Kodi Kampala police station nagulawo omusango. Stella namukubira simu ne bamukwata. Abali yawo ne Mickey simu stufa nenga bamulese naye ne bamukwata. Okitegeera kali wembuliza ati Mickey simu stufane atachi masende wa kazini ye basiba wachi bakwata wachi nti naye yasulayo ku polisi. Bino byade bigambo byase ati Mickey yasulayo ku polisi naye bombi babiri. Kali Mickey okumuta Mickey naleta enkera walo nga afunye polisi bondi naleta ebyapa nasasulako ne milioni 4. Okitegeera kali munnangi Stella yagamba ati Mickey tamuwanga ko milioni 1 bilioni mwabagamba usimanya abanja 1 bilioni era naga nti ebigambo byonna bino Don Chris byayogera nti Don Chris aline buba mwaline buba Mickey okufuna Don Chris okufuna Stella yali avudde ewa Don Chris emyezi 2 emabega. Okitegeera era naga nti beyagadde ne Mickey okumala omwaka gumu n'ekintu yoyo guyagamba musimanya Stella amuzimbye oli ku Lugambo Nation. Yes, Stella agambye nti Mickey tamubbanga ko yadda amubanja sente ziyamuwa era properties zebagula byapa byale Mickey byalese ku Kodi Kampala kali bakyanoonyeza kiso ate bagamba nti no Mickey yabba Mickey teyabba bali mu love amugamba baby ABCD tugatte ne bamala ebyembi ne baawukana. Kitegeera so byebyo oli ku Lugambo Nation naye tukyakuwa amawulire amalala mangi agava ku side za sente eyo. Tugende ku Imperial Sense tufune ekiwoowo ku Wilson 1 shop number 18. Mwali mu relationship ne Mickey?
Yes, we was.
Relationship nga yabbanga ki mwali mala mu bbanga ki?
Eyo kumala bbanga that will not matter. But nali mu relationship naye for quite a year and something. Era nze siteera bwe yayogerako omukazi eyamuzimba. I remember muwulira obulungi Mickey yagaayo n'agamba siteera ne Becky be bantu abasobola okugamba nti ono omuntu namuzimba.
Yes, nakijjukira ekyo muzire
So, bugenzo okera ku machanga video eziri mu circulatinga like ebintu gebogere ebimu bituufu ebirate biri bituufu. Kakati me and Mickey actually ngati tufudde ku byokweyaga we were friends at first. Then maybe we fell in love.
Wali die hard wali follow away.
The silly follow ndabye siri na tikitoka. I am not anyone's die hard. I don't do TikTok.
Mwa connectinga mutya.
Connect. You can meet anyone anywhere. I will not meet up. I will not asija kogera ku meeting point. Oshegede. I will not say the meeting and everything, but I'm not at any ceremony. I'm not a die hard for anyone.
Yes.
Mickey, we met as people. Now we're now meeting Musajja. That is how I met him. So in there, I have a cousin. Before actually Mickey coming in my life, naina cousin wange ngampayo ku sente ngampola because I wanted to call a tours and travel etwala abantu maybe Kasese, maybe Chi. I think you know that. So I needed to buy trucks. So that was the main reason as to why I wanted that money. So after kunoonyereza nenda bange business ejja kunsumbwa sijja gisobola. Oshegedde. It does not bring in a lot of income. It does not what requires a lot of work. I'm like, no, I'm not going to do this business. I paused it in Sonyewa. So I met Mickey. Because the Jacoban yogere story yange ne wana bagadda nayogere iye. But at the end of the day wano kati kutaasa mu kwetaasa. Oshegedde. Because nkuda be mabogerako si bituufu nange banjogerako si bituufu. So I have to come and clarify. So we started actually dating, me and that guy in 2024.
Sembera ko kumpi oli nnyo wala ne kamera
Nsentaka kusembera nnyo kumpi deno mundaba.
Wow.
Tonsembereza nyo simu. Saga bintu bya TikTok, but I have to come and do this. So, ebintu bye bagamba mbu Mickey yabba ssente, that is not right. Eno nga bonna kusisinkana, owulira? Nze nga nyinamu ku ssente, nga naawe olinamu keezizo ng'omuntu.
Yeah, man.
No idea. Because at the end of the day, fena tuchimanyi, Mickey muvubuka mugeza. I think everyone knows that. So Mickey yaja mu idea. And I had the money and I was like, okay, okuba kugula mataka, okuba kula chi, let us do this, then we shall get the money back. Oshegede. I never told Mickey exactly where I'm getting that money from. Oshegede. I wasn't truthful with him nasirika. Nze namwanga sete ngamanyi the good thing is sete tetuli mu kuziria. Cause simu ejalabe Mickey say azifu nambo sente azirye mboba zitambemu mboba akolechi. Oshegede. Netugula nga tugula ebintu. Ngamanyi amagoba gajja komawo. Ampulira mukama.
Yana we bitwa birabangako byagulanga.
Yes. And I can never come out and I say Mickey yabba, taina gwe yabba. I don't know who gave them that information that Mickey yabba million, smart billion, that's a lot of money.
No, but bagamba 1 billion.
They know. The silly ku TikTok, but mbadde ku TikTok I've been watching you guys. Anyone nga yagala amawulire okutambula, you can exaggerate something amawulire go tambula.
Era nange nakibagambye.
Okute 1 billion ogiwadde Mickey. Oyagala kungamba omuntu ali worth 1 billion. Yes, Mickey tali bubi, he's good. He's in a good situation and all that. But 1 billion is not, you cannot compare 1 billion. Oshegede, 1 billion is something big.
1 billion
and I be in this situation whichever.
Yeah.
My cousin gave me 440. And the facts now. I don't know who leaked the videos. What the people say that I'm the one who leaked the videos, but I am in those videos.
How are you
bagambi TikToker? But I have a lot to lose. Nina bingi nye byokufirwa. Nze siri ku social media, but olaba ngambye in clarifying. I clarify. Kibadde too much. I needed to come out.
Yes, ekirungi nnyo okuvaayo n'oyogera. Yeah.
It is okay. They say that nze nagitaddeyo, but at the end of the day mwezo videos mwendi.
Mwoli.
Era today I've gotten very many calls byomunga mbuzo oli bulungi, what is happening? First yange newe time that very many people know my voice. Ela, are you okay? Are you okay? Oli bulungi oshegera. So I'm also in this, But whatever people think that nze nagyeyo video bachi, that is something right now chesize kwesibako, because at the end of the day I cannot compete with people. We all owozeza kiri, we all fena tuyine ndowooza yaffe. Oshegede.
Yeah, kituufu.
Kazini wange yampa millions 4. I don't know who came out now exaggerating and agamba 1 billion.
Videos nazirabye zonna nga ekyogera kiri kimu 440M.
That is not 440M. Our billion are exaggerating.
Yes.
440M. Sazi kwa tambunenzi wa Mickey. Oshegede. Nawe nakata millions 4 mulundi gumu 4 nekuzikuwadde no nga muna boyfriend mutugende tukole ki? Tugende tukole bwe tutine bwe tuti.
Wezimbe.
Yes, namuwa sija ngati nazimwa sente mulundi gumu. But then nga wenda kukwatira 5 nenga kuwa millions 5 nekwatire 7 nekwatire 8. Just like that, but I will not say that certain as part of mulundi gumu nezikola ki? Nezimuwa.